Carrot. Carrot. Rich in beta-carotene, great for eye health. Spinach. Spinach. A powerhouse of iron and vitamins. Broccoli. Broccoli. High in fiber and antioxidants. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Low in calories, good for digestion. Tomato. Tomato. Packed with lycopene, supports heart health. Cucumber. Cucumber. Hydrating and refreshing, low in calories. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. High in vitamin C and antioxidants. Zucchini. Zucchini. Versatile and rich in vitamin A. Lettuce. Lettuce. A light and crisp base for salads, rich in fiber. Onion. Onion. Adds flavor and supports immune health. Garlic. Garlic. Known for its antibacterial properties. Potato. Potato. A versatile starch rich in potassium. Radish. Radish. Crisp and peppery, good for digestion. Asparagus. Asparagus. Supports detoxification and is low in calories. Eggplant. Eggplant. Contains fiber and is great for heart health. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Packed with fiber and vitamin A. Mushroom. Mushroom. A low-calorie source of essential nutrients. Beetroot. Beetroot. Boosts blood flow and stamina. Artichoke. Artichoke. High in fiber and supports liver health. Chard. Chard. Full of vitamins K and A, good for bone health. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants. Celery. Celery. Low calorie, hydrating, and good for digestion. Fennel. Fennel. aids digestion and rich in antioxidants. Squash. Squash. Full of vitamins and fiber, supports immunity. Leek. Leek. Adds mild flavor rich in prebiotics. Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Boosts metabolism and adds spice. Kale. Kale. Nutrient dense, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Parsnip. Parsnip. Sweet and earthy, high in fiber. Cabbage. Cabbage. Rich in vitamin C and promotes gut health. Okra. Okra. Helps digestion, low in calories. Arugula. Arugula. Peppery green, full of vitamins and minerals. Seaweed. Seaweed. Full of iodine, good for thyroid health. Turnip. Turnip. Root vegetable rich in fiber and vitamin C. Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. Mild, used in Asian cooking, high in fiber. Endive. Endive. Bitter green, good for digestion. Jicama. Jicama. Crisp, low calorie, great for hydration. Bok choy. Bok choy. High in vitamin C and K, good for bones. Daikon. Daikon. Mild radish, supports digestion. Swiss chard. Swiss chard. High in vitamins K, A and C, good for bones. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe and comment. Until next time, take care.